My role is a service admin, and I have been with Coastline since January of this year. Seeing things completed in the time that we said, I feel good for the technician that put all their hard work into it and stayed on task. Having that inside knowledge, I help push that along, kind of makes you feel good. One thing people don't know about my role is probably the excessive communication that goes on behind the scenes with the customer. Because I know if it were me, I would want to know the little things, even if I don't have time to hear it. Thank you for thinking of me and putting importance on it for me and giving me the option. Our service manager is fairly new, very supportive, very encouraging. He gives us the room to make decisions, and he's got a great sense of humor. Nothing upsets him, He's just like, all right, let's just do it right the next time, So we're always progressing towards the goal. And sometimes I think we give them feedback too, so it's like a good working relationship here. I come in here with a smile on my face and I leave with a smile on my face. I'm gonna come in here and do the best job that I can do and try to make an impact on what I'm doing. And my name's gonna be behind what I did. And I'll just always do that with a good attitude.